Yo, yo, yo. We're here with my first video, y'all. So y'all hit the like and subscribe button and follow me right now. We're finna take y'all on a fishing trip. Motherfucker got the Crocs on. I got the motherfucking swimming trunks. I'm ready to go fishing, nigga. I got the rod, you feel me? Got my ski mask on. You don't know what's gonna happen today.
So stay tuned.
Performing Rage Over a Lost Penny this afternoon, pianist Alexis.
Shut your bitch ass up, man. What the hell is she talking about?
She's talking crazy.
That boy rolling that shit up, boy. Looking like a farmer. Oh yeah, that's a fat ass boy. Yes sir, yes sir, yes sir, yes sir, yes sir. Highly appreciate it, highly appreciate it. Stevie Wonder. Stevie Wonder. We're finna hit the Walmart. We gotta get some bait. We're finna go fishing. Bro.
Why the fuck did you park all the way over here, cuz?
Perfect parking.
Why?
Perfect.
No. Alright, fuck it. We gotta walk all over there. They gonna make the day even harder.
I don't want to get door dinged.
What is that?
Like door dinged. Door dinged.
Oh, let me get my shit. Hold on, hold on.
God.
Alright, so we gonna go fishing today?
Yes, sir, we are.
It's not the season yet, but we're just gonna go try some to see if we get some catch, you know?
Something's gonna
A
bite.
couple spoons and look, it's the police. Belmont. Police just pulled up on us. They from the I don't know why. Nah, I'm just playing. I hate Belmont police, bro. Them niggas don't got shit else to do.
No, they don't.
We finna go get some food real quick. That nigga's hungry.
Starving.
Hungry as fuck. Cause I'm hungry as fuck. Niggas starving like a bitch. I ain't eat since last night. I had a baconator. No, I'm done. It was alright. For real. Oh, she about ran me over. 3 Karens, 3 Karens. 3 Karens. They come in packs. Packs of 3s. I need the ranch wings. Where the yes sir. I need them. I need the ranch rings. What you finna get?
I'm finna get some mashed potatoes.
You finna be shitting. Ew.
Get a 2 chicken breasts.
Hey, how you doing?
I gotta get her.
I'm good. I want to get a half a pound of those ranch wings.
You want 6? Well,
6. Let me get 6 pieces.
6?
Yeah.
That's a half a pound.
That's like 6 pieces. Hold on, you say you got an 8 piece? You got a 12?
Huh? What?
How many pieces you
You
get?
get 6, 12, and 8.
Okay, let me get 12. Yeah, let me get 12. Yeah.
That's enough.
She being kind of rude. She being kind of rude. Attitude. Having a little attitude. Got the motherfucking 12 piece. They taxing at Walmart. $13. $13? Could.
That's how much it is?
Yeah, they taxing, bro.
Watch, my shit's gonna be like $5.
Yeah, they're taxing the fuck out of these.
This should have just got the 8.
And then I asked for half a pound. She said 6 to 12 piece. And she left 3 pieces in the motherfucking thing. Like nobody gonna get. Who's gonna get 3 pieces? Damn.
Price difference.
Could $5. Yeah, I could have got one of those. I'm dumb.
Got one of these.
I'm tripping, bro. It's alright. Maybe next time.
I know it's not gonna fill you up though.
No, no.
No, it's not. So you kind of, you know, it's a trade-off you're willing to make.
Yeah. I'm always trying to trade off some bullshit. Whatever though. What the fuck?
What the hell? I ain't never seen that before.
That's some crazy shit. I ain't never seen that before, ever. Quick bathroom break. No. It's pretty clean in this bitch. There you are. Bro, they got clean ass bathrooms in there. What you looking at?
I'm looking good.
Thank you.
Looking at all the games, man.
Oh yeah. Oh, the games. Games got so expensive now in 2023, bro. Ooh, ugly ass gremlin. Little ugly ass gremlin, bro.
Okay, let's go to that fishing shit.
Alright, we're finna go get our fishing shit right now. See you on a bit. Bro over here talking about it smells so good. Nigga was sniffing my bag. Where do we need? No, that's not it. That's not it. We need. Yeah.
The gold one? Or
No, no, no,
this
no.
gold one? Or
The ones without the tails.
no tail.
Here they are. Boom. Grab those. Castmaster $10 pack.
Castmaster?
No, the $10 pack. Boom.
Oh, this one.
Yeah.
Oh, Chet Local. Yeah.
See?
Yeah, you get 3.
Get that one. Damn, that's expensive, bro.
$10.
They got the singles. All right, we'll just get one of those.
Basically the
Yeah,
same
we'll
price.
just get one of those. That's straight. What else should we get?
Unless you just want to get 2, one of each, and hope we don't lose our shit.
One of each what? Oh,
Yeah,
another
the
one?
singles. No, I was gonna say if you just want to spend on some singles.
No, you might as well get the 3
Yeah.
pack. Cause that's $4. You get 2 of those, that's 8. The 3 pack's only $10. Let's go. All right, we finna get up out of here and see y'all at the lake. Motherfucker paid $5 for that meal. Good, half of what I paid. I got 12 wings for $13, y'all. Now tell me in the comment section below if that shit was overpriced at the Wally World. I think it was overpriced. Tell me in the comment section below if y'all think that was overpriced. You know we had to come to the store real quick. That cigar. You know we're gonna roll up for y'all, we're gonna roll up for you guys for the one time. Keep it PG, you know. I keep on forgetting I'm on YouTube. Yes, sir. So we're gonna go out here to the dam, try to catch something. Hopefully it's something, you know, some action. I get something, like, I don't know, it's been a minute since I got some action. It's been a whole year. Last fishing season from like maybe April, around my birthday time, yeah, March, April. That shit start hitting. So we'll see what happens today. Ew.
The fuck are those?
The fuck are those? Damn. But he did get us some of these. Mango New Mexes. Yes, sir. Which one you got, bro? Okay. Strawberry banana. I see. Gamaliel. Mr. Gamaliel got it. Alright, we're on the way to the dam, y'all. See y'all in a bit.
You think we can get in trouble, huh?
Whoa. We got down here to the entrance of the dam and they said that it's shut down right now. So we're gonna go to his spot. Try again in a second. Alright, we're about to head into the woods. We're about to head in there now. Oh my God. Yeah, I don't know why they shut down the dam. They're probably fixing some shit back down there or whatever they got going on. So we're checking this little spot out. Gamaliel. Better not be no bullshit, man.
I can see the water from here.
Yeah, he says he can see the water from here. Can you guys see the water from here? Hell no. Boys can't see the water from here. I hope not. I got all my shit in there. Niggas. You hear this nigga? It don't matter where the fuck you are. Niggas is gonna rob you. I hear music too. Where the fuck that shit coming from? You got the cat? You got the bait?
Oh, I told you it was in the bag.
What bag?
The bag where your food was in? You didn't bring it, did you?
Here, hold it.
Yeah. You can lock the car now.
Alright, I'll be back. God damn it. Gotta go all the way back. Get the mother... Oh, left it all. Well, I guess I could lock the car now. I was just talking about how they're gonna rob me. They ain't gonna rob me. I should have brought the blammer. I'm about to bring that book bag too. Goddamn fuck. See you in a bit. Hold on. Just got back, bro. I had to go back and get the bags, the gas. This nigga forgot the reel, the cast. I meant the bait cast. Niggas, what you throwing, bro? See that? This is my Texas Raider I made the other week. That shit is falling off, bro. You gotta get it. You gotta get it right. That's how it's supposed to look. Beautiful. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. I brought the gas and shit, bro.
You thought the spot's okay?
Yeah.
Okay, right.
I like it better than the dam.
Should have stayed for a little bit. There was a truck over there, and they were fishing.
Yeah.
And they took off. They did some donuts and shit.
For real?
Yeah, it was like 3 white boys.
Yeah. They would have been like, get out of here, Peckwood. Nah. Give up already? Next time, maybe we'll get lucky. I give it like 1 more month, maybe.
I think we need a fucking fish out of the ocean with these. Right?
Nah, these work good in the fucking lakes and shit. It's just you gotta wait for the time where they eat, like the white perches and shit, little white fish. Those are fun to catch because they eat back to back to back to back to back to back.
Pretty big fish.
Yeah. So I guess we're just gonna head out. We only did like 10 minutes of fishing, not even. I did like 5, 6, 7 casts. And then I gave up. We're just out. Oh shit, cuz not the Humex. I can't reach that shit.
I got it. Let me not drop nothing else though.
Put that shit over there.
Let me not drop nothing else though.
I got it. Fuck, bro.
Fucking nasty.
Saved by the bell.
Yeah.
All right, we're gonna head out. Let's walk up. It's gonna be hell. My calves were burning when I walked up back the first time. Hell yeah. Damn. Fuck, I'm gonna go get a shell. It's hot. It's 80 degrees right now in Charlotte. Can't breathe right. Just wanna get shell. Chill out, relax, make some plays. Look at that. That's what I almost broke my ankle on earlier.
Okay, on the way back.
Yep. That should be free mine for me. I don't know how.
Oh yeah, it sounds good, man. Just hit me.
Thanks, bro. Over here next to the trash shit.
Oh my goodness.
Stank a little bit. All right, let's go. All right, y'all. This bit, bro, look at this shit. You see that? This is my girl song. She be. Yo, she cut up on Valentine's Day. I'm chill, man. Press some music, bro.
Man.
Oh shit, here come this nigga, bro. That nigga been painting the apartment all day, bro. I swear to God. Oh, we look out, look out. What you on, man? Yeah, you on the vlog, cuz. You on the vlog, cuz. You made it onto the vlog. I'm finna edit this bitch. You gonna help me edit this?
Mm-hmm.
He said, uh-huh.
Yo, come open your door real quick so I can finish.
What? Open my door?
Yeah.
Alright, I got you.
I did.
Oh!
Electricity is...
Damn, we already been smoking for 10 minutes. I'm about to cut this bitch right there. We're about to, I think we're gonna end the video right here, you guys. We're gonna finish the rest of this blunt. Y'all like, comment, subscribe, please. This is my first video. Me and my nigga Gama, we signing out. Peace.